Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Synthesia AI. So for that you need to open up your browser and then search for Synthesia AI, and this is how it will appear. Then just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will lead you to. After that you can just create a new account, and if you already have an account then simply log into your account. But if you want to test it out whether it is a good one or not, or whether it is useful for you or not, then you can just simply try this option of create a free AI video. So for that you just have to click over here, and after that just choose the video template. And there are limited video templates over here, but when you create an account you will have more than this. So just select any of the template that you want and then type in your script over here, though it is quite small because it is a free one, and then click on continue. After that you need to provide some of your details, and Synthesia AI will send the email to you with this video attached on your email, and this way you will be able to see how it actually works. So this is the basic fundamental of this platform, where you have to just provide the details and choose the video template and write the script, and this AI platform will convert your script into a video where this AI will talk and do all the stuff that you will ask to say. And also you can import your PowerPoint presentations and convert them into video presentations. So for that you just have to log in, and after that you will be able to do that, and it is quite easy to do. And this is how the Synthesia AI actually works, and the pricing is around $30 per month for a single account, which is just one seat. And if you want more than that, then just you can click on this option of book a demo and talk to the customer support for a customized offer. And this is how it will work out. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.